Hello and welcome to the introductory walkthrough of Garibaldi Pro. Garibaldi Pro is a software program meant to communicate with EchoFlex equipment either as an offline editor or as an active interface that you can use to push and pull configurations when you are within wireless range of installed EchoFlex equipment. This software is available to download from the ETC website. In addition, there is a user manual that is also available for download, or if you come over to Help, you can use the online help option to launch that same user manual. One question a lot of people ask is if you need the EchoFlex serial interface dongle to use Garibaldi Pro. The serial interface dongle is optional. It is only necessary if you are going to be actively communicating with installed equipment. Otherwise, you can still run Garibaldi Pro as an offline editor. As you will note, I currently have the program up and running, even though down in the bottom left-hand corner it says no serial interface connected and shows me a red icon. I do have a serial interface, however, so I am plugging that into a USB port on my computer, and after a moment, my computer will automatically register it, pull it in, and we'll see some changes. So first, the icon became green and it says Serial Interface Active on COM4. Additionally, up in the middle section, we now have two more options that we can see: Received Message by Type and Signal Strength by Category. This is actively looking at and displaying the wireless telegrams and messages that are being sent from one EchoFlex device to another, always giving you updates on what types of messages we are seeing and how strong those messages are. Looking to the upper left-hand corner, we have a couple of different options. Underneath File, we have New Blank Project, New Project Quick Start, Open Project, Open Recent, Save Project As, and Exit. Note that the first three options are also listed below. The main difference between your New Project Quick Start and your New Blank Project is that the Quick Start option will give you some prompts to start building and creating spaces and devices. Going back to the top, underneath View, we have Basic Device Settings, Intermediate Device Settings, Advanced Device Settings, and our dark and light theme options. By default, it's going to be set to Basic Device Settings and Light Theme. The Device Settings option will change how many parameters you see when looking at the device configuration. At this point in time, there is no form of unlock to change the device settings level. Over in Tools, you have the option to Update Database. This downloads and installs all current firmware libraries for EchoFlex devices. I would recommend doing this update each time you start a new EchoFlex project. This does not overwrite pre-existing firmware options, so you will not lose older versions, you will just gain all of the new and current options. Finally, as mentioned before, Help will launch Help.